might seem crazy what I'm about to say. Sunshine, she's here, you can take a break. I'm a hot air balloon that could go to space. With the air, like I don't care, baby, by the way. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you feel like a room without a roof. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you feel like happiness is the truth. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you know what happiness is to you. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you feel like that's what you want to do. Here come bad news, talking this and that. Well, give me all you got and don't hold it back.
Alex? Saan ka? Ayun! Alex, di kita makita. Oy. Alex! Nangya, umitim ka. Musta? Yo, bro. What's up? Bro, happy birthday. Sana, stay ka na dyan. Huwag ka nang bumalik dito. So, dyan ka na nakatiri. Balita ko, ang itim mo na daw. Joke lang. Next, sana, itong bagong taon, umakyat ka naman. Para makasama ka naman namin na makapag-banding naman tayo. Pasensya na, di kita minsan matawagan, ma-reply kasi busy. Iba kasi hawak kong phone, iniiwan ko kasi. So, magpapasalamat ako dahil lumayo-layo ka na sa akin ng konti, yung edad mo. Kasi papasalamat din ako dahil lumalapit ka na kay Froilan sa edad. Kaya sana pagpatuloy mo yan. Sa next na pagkikita natin, sana mas maging masaya. No, miss na kita, bro. Love you, man. Bye, Putoy.
Hi, Manong Alex. Happy birthday. Wait lang ha. May babati sa'yo. Wait lang. Dito sa parador na to. Oy, Sharky. Sharky, birthday ni Manong Alex.
Hi, Manong Alex.
Ayan siya.
Happy birthday. More blessings to come. Saka, God bless. Ingat lagi. Happy birthday ng Lex.
Love you.
Love you.
Hello Manong Alex, dito ako ngayon para kamustahin ka at dahil birthday mo, happy birthday ngayon. Sana kahit na ganyan lagi yung ginagawa mo, sana okay ka lang palagi dyan, miss na miss ka namin, mahal na mahal ka namin. I love you.
Oh yes. Yeah.
Ano yan?
Birthday na ni Manong Alex daw, nagmamadali na si Manang Rachel, dali.
Happy birthday, Manong Alex! Busy ako. Miss ka na namin, kayo ni Ate Rachel. Ayun, bisita naman kayo dito sa Fashion Lab minsan, tapos, sana lumago ka na. Ayun, nabigla ako eh. Happy birthday! Bye-bye! Ingat kayo palagi.
Hi, Manong Alex! Happy birthday!
Happy birthday! May you have many more birthdays to come.
God bless! Sayang ang effort! Lipstick! Dami pimple! Bye-bye!
Hindi. Check.
Anyways, happy birthday! God bless, Manong Alex! We miss you all! Bye!
Pag-uwi na lang.
Tingnan mo yung view namin. Parang ikaw lang, Manong Alex. Natangkanan. Natangkanan na bundok.
Ganda. Sige na. Okay.
30 seconds lang itong video, mamadaling ko to. Gusto lang kita i-greet ng happy birthday. Mahal na mahal kita, mahal na mahal ka namin. Makinig ka lang kay Bangenge lagi. Wag tigilan mo na yung paglalandi sa Facebook. Tapos tutuloy sipon, luluwa, dugyot, di ba, men? So, happy birthday, yun lang. So, papahinga na rin ako. Mag-iingat ka palagi. We love you. I love you so much. No? Sige, bye-bye.
Happy birthday!
Birthday!
Happy birthday!
Lapit mo yung mukha mo.
Happy birthday!
Hindi, sa ilaw. Ayan.
Happy birthday!
Audrey! Lapit ko. Lapit! Eh. Ang taba nung pisngi ni Pan.
Happy birthday!
Hi Kuya Alex, happy birthday, good luck sa career, sa love life, and sa business. Sana may time ka pa pumunta dito sa Baguio. Happy birthday, and chat na.
Happy birthday, wish ko sa'yo, matupad mo lahat ng wishes mo, lahat ng target mo, yun, lahat ng goals mo sa buhay, matupad mo, at saka good health para sa'yo, sa family mo, at saka yun, ingatan mo yung paa mo, kasi yan ang trademark mo, okay? Yun, God bless kuya. Lagi kang makinig kay Manang Rachel para wala lang SIM card na napuputol at saka wala lang sipong lumalabas. Okay? Ingat kuya. See you soon. God bless. Sana pagka nagkita-kita tayo ulit magiging grande. Love you kuya. God bless.
Oh man, happy birthday. I love you. I miss you guys. I love you both. Bangenge. More birthdays to come. Agore. Shatak pa yun. Shatak pa yun.
Manong Lex! Musta ngay? Anya amatan, nagregat Ilocano. Happy birthday, brother. I wish you all the very best. God bless. And amplified nga, Rod. I love you, brothers. We love you. Hey.
Afternoon, Alex. Isa lang masabi ko sa birthday mo. Count your life by smile, not tears. Count your age by friend, not tears. Happy birthday. Have a good health. From Tita Bigin.
What's up, Alex?
Happy birthday, Alex. We're wishing you a happy 32nd birthday, Alex. Wish we were there to celebrate with you. We miss you.
We love you.
We love you.
Enjoy.
Enjoy. Shatma. Shatma.
Well, I should probably warn you, I'll be just fine. No offense to you, don't waste your time. Here's why. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you feel like a room without a roof. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you feel like happiness is the truth. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you know what happiness is to you. Because I'm happy. Clap along.
Happy birthday! Sorry, awanak dita, and hope you have a good day. Sorry, I won't think kasak na prepare anything like this, but here I am on my bed and saying happy birthday.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
Say happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Tito! Happy birthday!
Ay, Alex. Narinig mo yung message ni Mama?
Kailan ka daw mag-asawa?
Oo. Dapat lang kasi nauunahan ka na ng kalendaryo.
Uy, lampas na.
Ay, lampas na pala.
Oo, lampas na. Ano?
Wala kang masabi.
O, kaya puro tawa na lang. Bahala ka na dyan sa buhay mo. Basta happy birthday.
Happy
Ingat ka
birthday.
lagi. Si Pastor Rabi.
More. Take care always with your help. And be thankful to God first for everything He done and everything He does. And your life.
Sorry.
Ano yan?
Sige na.
Next.
Sige na, ikaw na spokesperson na yun. Sige na. For Liam and me.
Ikaw naman.
Ikaw na.
Charot!
Sige na.
Ikaw naman.
Na.
Ikaw naman.
Yun lang. Happy birthday na lang. Oh. Pagkita-kita na lang tayo sa 23 at 24.
Sa pag-uwi mo.
Pag-uwi mo,
Ayun na yung bati ni
Oo.
Riam. Happy birthday
Happy
daw.
birthday daw. Oh, sige na.
Sige, bye-bye.
Bye-bye. God bless. We love
Bless.
you.
Hello, Alex. Happy birthday. Tanda ka na bang mag-asawa? Medyo tumatanda ka na eh. But whatever your plans are, just be yourself. Take care of your health. So you'll be strong and healthy in facing your future. Hello. Don't forget also, Lord Jesus, commit yourself to Him by joining any church activities for His glory. He loves you, for God is love. And so, we here, as the mother, sisters, brother, and Riam, say, we love you very much. God bless and happy birthday.
Like that's what you want to do. Hey, go, bring me down. Can't none bring me down. Your love is too.
Nagulat ka ba? Yan. Gusto lang kita i-greet na happy birthday. Sana huwag ka magsawa sa pagmamahal mo